Coming up this week on Talk with Audrey, Chandler Crews was born with achondroplasia and is the founder and president of the Chandler Project, a nonprofit patient-focused organization dedicated to providing education and resources for those affected by achondroplasia. We're going to talk about her decision to have limb lengthening surgery. And then joining me with some tips to help you step up your culinary game by incorporating new versatile and nutritious recipes and ingredients from the new modern dairy aisle, Chef Jaime Gwen. Then husband, father, two-time Emmy Award nominated television and film theater actor, philanthropist John Stamos talks with me about how despite his hectic lifestyle, he manages to prioritize health and good nutrition. It's all coming up this week on Talk with Audrey. Insightful, intelligent, and inspiring conversations and information to help you improve the quality of your life. I'll be right back.